So this video is the continuation of the previous program. So once it is to remove the G25 25 and Z minus 20, then again we have to take back. So G01 G30 Z minus 20. So after that we have to move towards here. So there is no material, we can use G00 Z X30 and Z1. So after that we can use the end of the program, that is the G28 U0 W0, and stop the spindle rotation. So M05 then comes into the M30 program, stop and restart the program. What is the meaning in this means? So M05 means it will going to stop the spindle rotation, but the thing is M30 means, so once we are using for this CNC machines for the mass production system, so that what happens, M30 means it is going to stop the program, as well as again it will be goes to the starting of the program to once again start do the operation. So that is the meaning of M30. Okay, once it will be stopped and finally it will become and stop the cursor will be going to stop over here for the next operation. So here itself it's automatically it will be going to stop. Okay, suppose if you are giving over here program end means what happens, it's going to be a stop over for the particular one part. Suppose M30 means continuously it will be going to produce a component, same type of component. Okay, then we can go on see about the next one, box turning cycle. Already told you X box turning cycle syntax is the X Z F. So what happens, box turning, so in the previous one, moving the tool from here to here, we use one command, moving up one other command we used, then comes over here other command, again depth of cut one more command we are given. Like that each and every time we are going to give the some other commands. But even in the box turning cycle, what happens, the tool it will be moves from here, depth of cut if you are given, automatically it will be moves here, removes the material, automatically it retract to the our reference point. Okay, that's what it is called as box turning cycle. It starts wherever it will be start, after machining it will be come and stop over in the particular point. Okay, so automatically it retrieves the tool, so that's what it is called as box turning cycle. So box turning cycle syntax is like this: G90 X Z F. X is the increment in the X direction, and Z is the increment in the Z direction, and F is the feed rate. So wherever you are using the Z90, so those time compulsory X and Z F, so this syntax has to be placed over here. Okay, so comes to see over how to write the program for the box turning command. So now we can see, so this is the component. So in the component the billet size is the X34 Z60. So this type of step turning you have to create it over here. For that, first O1002 as well as bracket billet size X34 and Z60, G21 for metric data input, G98 for feet per minute, and G28 U0 W0 reference position return, M06 T0101, because all the operations we can done with the help of single point cutting tool, so that we are always single point cutting tool, it will be fixed in the first slot. Then comes into the M03 1200, that means spindle rotation clockwise. So spindle speed is the 1200 rpm. Okay, then comes into the first, we are going to bring the tool over in the reference position G00 X34 and Z1. So that means from machine reference point 2, we are going to bring the tool over here and place over here. After that we can use G90 and X34 Z minus 40 and F30. What is the meaning in this means? So G90 is the box turning cycle, and 34 1 mm depth, so 34 mm we are going to stop, and z minus 40. That means 40 mm length it has to be removed. So here 40 mm length, it has to be, machining has to be takes place. Okay, so then f30 feed rate is the 30, so that is the common we are going to give. After that, each pass we are going to give the depth of cut as a 1 mm. So it will automatically, the tool, it will be, so goes to the 33 mm, it removes the material and come back into the original position. Okay, like that it will be moves over here. So first is in the G9 box turning cycle, if you are given G90 x34 z minus 40 f30 if it given, then next second step only you can give wherever the changes takes place only in the x dimension, but z minus 40 it will be remains same. So that z minus that 33. Okay, so here I have to give as a minus z33 and 1 mm. So it will be removes the material, goes over here, and then x32 means again from 32 mm, sorry, 34 to 32 mm, 1 mm depth of cut. Like this it keep on place over here at 31, 30, 29, 28 up to what, 28 mm length. Okay, up to 28 mm, 40 mm length. For up to 28 mm diameter, 40 mm length it has to be removed. After that we have to change the length up to minus 22, diameter of 16 mm. So for that again we have to change G90 x27 z minus 22. After that x dimension it varies, so x26 x25 up to 16 mm if you have give, so it is removed up to here. Then up to 10 mm diameter, 10 mm length. So that again we have to use G90 x 15 and z minus 10. So for the after given over here again you can give the x value only, because x value only it will be changing up to 10 mm. x14 x13 x12 means it will be come and remove the material 1 mm 1 mm, like that. After remove that it will be going to after removing it will be come and stop over here. Then you can give the G28 U0 W0 means goes to the machining reference position and stops the spindle rotation M05 and M30. Program stop and rewind. Like this we have to write the program for the this uh, what program for the turning box turning cycle, like, okay. So same like as a taper turning cycle, but the thing is the taper turning cycle we are using as a x, z, r and f. R is the not the radius over here, it is the difference between the maximum dia and minimum dia, d1 minus d2 by 2. That is the meaning of r over here. Okay, so it is also simple to similar to same only. So this taper turning cycle we will see in the next video.